Hello everyone! There are no mountains in Lithuania and only hills that can be found nearby are in quarries. We decide that it's time to escape from boring plains and head out towards hills. I invite you to travel to sand, clay and limestone quarries in Akmenė district, together with Ford. Would recommend to visit them for anyone at any time of the year, but fall is one of the best times for it, because you'll find beautiful colors of forest and some nice puddles too. Most of the quarries are still actively used and aren't accessible, therefore we start our journey in abandoned sand quarry. Here you can freely test capabilities and limitations of the off-road vehicle. Quarry excursion starts with easy warm-up over small sand hills. It's quite useful to get used to the sandy surface and steeper slopes.
Pradžiai pradėkime lengvesnį. Apšilimui. Apšilimą, ne? Nors čia irgi netrūna labai geras. Diržaus. Yes. Švietum įveikia.
After passing steeper slope, I decide that it's time for a bigger challenge, climb of the steepest hill. Looks like it won't be easy. At the very top of the hill, bottom of the fort sucks in sand and stops. After another failed attempt, I decide to try one last time, but faster. And it wasn't the best idea. From unsuccessful attempts, dug a hole into which I drive a little too fast and wheel hub gives its last breath, catapults flying away at full speed. It appears to be an incredibly successful day for cameraman, because today only Ford needs to be repaired, not Ford and Justas.
Buvo kažkas, bum. Gerai, reikia apžiūrėti.
Ford broke down quite early in the day, around 10 o'clock, so we try not to give up yet, fix it and continue planet trip. Of course, route will have to be slightly adjusted and some quarries scratched out of it.
Tavo katas čia?
Katė čia.
Katas.
Neateini pagal šaukimą į po.
O ką čia? A laikys iki šiandienos vakarais. High performance. Kokybė. Kokybė čia. Nuveik, ko daugiau reikia. Sitepala rūbus. Na, gerai, biškai aukščiau. Ai, va, kur? Į dešinę? Aš matau. Reikėjo tik biškai susikaupti. Šaunuolį. Čia reikėjo susikaupti.
Luckily there is a spare hub at home. Ford repair takes only 1 hour and we are already continuing our journey somewhere in the fields, slowly approaching clay quarry. We won't be able to ride hills in Clay Quarry, but knowing how fast I managed to break 4 parts, it's not that bad. A very interesting place. Due to unusual brown color of a clay, it might look that we have arrived on Mars. We take off with a drone and drive in nearby road. Tires get covered in clay quite quickly. Maybe it's a good thing that it hasn't rained for a while, because then it would be very slippery here. Journey continues through forest towards Limestone Quarry. When last visited it, couple years ago it was abandoned, but excavation work is fully operational now. We don't want to meet local security guards, so stop near the quarry and briefly fly over it with a drone. Limestone Quarry is a very unusual place. It looks like a canyon, but the entire terrain was formed with the help of an excavator and explosives. Journey is almost over. Last part is to return home. Of course, we are not looking for easy roads, and in general, Ford is much more stable on gravel or forest roads. Therefore, we drive along a pre-planned route that leads through forests towards Šiauliai. We find quite a few logging truck ruts, but the soil in this area is so hard that we manage to pass all the obstacles without getting stuck. Strange and unusual when tires have reached the bottom of a puddle and doesn't sink any deeper.
Čia 10 minučių filmus galėtų būti vien kaip su pagaliu balą badai. Tai kuo labiau į vakarą, tuo mažiau drąsos. This far and enjoyed content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit like.